Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got a new one from Ramen Express by Chef Wu. This is their vegetarian lime and chili shrimp flavor. So let's get it going. You open the lid halfway and you fill it the line with room temperature water. And that's always the trick, right? Whose room? The temperature of whose room are we talking? And up to there. Alright. And for safety, I put down a paper plate in the microwave just so if there's any explosive, crazy. Shouldn't be though, because I figured these out. Put it in the microwave. There we go. 3 minutes at 70%.
The button?
Yes, you may hit dismiss.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Thank you. And there we
I
are.
wanted to say hi to the nice people.
Alright.
Hi, nice people.
They're over there.
Hello to the nice people.
No, that's you on the monitor.
Oh.
But they're watching you through there. See? There's my finger.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. So you gonna have a good Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you gonna do today?
I'll play at school.
Yeah? Right on. Solid.
Yep.
Solid.
Solid.
Yeah. Alright. We'll go have fun.
Okay.
Oh wait, you want a banana?
Okay.
Here you go. Have a 5-star mega banana. You know, Miles was on his school welcome message thing the other day, huh? You're on the video with the principal?
I am the principal.
Oh! Well, what do you know? Not bad. So that alarm tells me it's time to take my chiclet. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Whee!
So yeah. Oh, my pants got stuck in my chair. Well, it's morning. And with morning comes morning things. So, yeah, Mimi got a Tide Spot pod and she squeezed it and it squirted in her eye, and they prescribed eye drops to make sure it didn't get infected. That's been an uphill battle, and I'll tell you right now, when I was a kid, my eyes are all jacked up, and I had to go to the doctor over and over and over and over and over, and they made me take eye drops. And I remember times totally Clockwork Orange style. Like there would be like 5 people holding me down and one person prying my eyes open and putting eye drops in. It's horrible. And to this day, like the last time I had to go to have an eye thing done, and oh my god, it was just like I was like sitting in the chair. I said, "Okay, tip your head back." And so I do it, but like I felt like I was gonna tear the arms off the exam chair. I just felt like, sleeper cell activated. I wanted to grab the guy and just like grab him by the neck and throw him across the room. It was horrible. It's a weird feeling, but I don't know. Oh, we had a bit of explosion with this one. I'm kind of surprised by that. Maybe it wasn't room temperature enough. But this is lime chili shrimp, and we will see how it is. Have you finished your... Take one more... Oh, poor banana. That banana loved you, Miles. It loved you.
I'm still done.
Okay, all right. Go ahead. The banana loved you. The banana loved you. Okay, so we have... This one's a vegetarian as well. Lime chili shrimp. Let's give it a try. Some of you are like, microwave noodle, why don't you just steep it? It's like, it can, but I swear to God, these come out way better when you microwave them. The tooth on these is just amazing, as is with their pillow packs. Their noodles are freaking second to none when it comes to just like a regular fried pillow pack or cup. I'm really impressed. Let's see, you need to see the broth. That's what you need to do. Obviously, it's vegan, so there's no shrimp in here. It's certified vegan. Dark broth. I'll tell you one thing, when you microwave it, it gets really hot. That's good. It's slightly cumin. I'm not getting so much lime, but I'm definitely getting the chili. That's good. I approve. I like the fact that you can microwave it too, and it's not a bad thing to do. Most of the domestic cup noodles, I'm telling you right now, if you read the instructions, they say don't microwave them. So don't microwave them. It's not the way to go. But now it is no longer vegan. There's some shrimp. There's some chili. I don't have any lime, which makes me feel very, very bad. I feel like I should have lime as well, but I do not, so I apologize. And then here's a splash of spring onion. Who doesn't like a little splash? And a little bit of crushed red pepper. That's what I should do. Okay. A little bit of sesame seed. I think that'll do. I think that'll do just nicely. Alright. So let's rotate. Let's see. And here we go. Alright, very cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this Ramen Express by Chef Wu magic noodles. Why are they magic? Is it because they're chicken? Is it because they're rabbit flavored or egg flavored? No, they change color. Kind of a trip. So you'll see that one tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.
I don't know. It's like this. Put it back in the hole.